All the way to the straw. Yes.
Are you shooting it up?
Yeah, I guess so. It's proven itself to be safe and reliable.
Right,
just until it blows us up. There's a lot of wind right now.
But you got some foam on the side.
Now everything's gonna smell like hairspray.
There we go.
Like dollar
This
store
isn't
hairspray.
gonna light this time.
It'll light. Jay, you got it? You looking straight up?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's getting worse.
Oh wow. It's getting worse and worse every time.
Wow. Oh, it must have been all the potato stuff.
Oh, that's potato residue from the, yeah, that's what that is. Good thinking, Mark.
So that's barrel cleaner.
This is a barrel cleaner. This is going in really hard because of the potato residue. We might have to get a brush to clean out the barrel. See, that's going to affect our choice of projectiles, is how much residue. I like that because it captures it. We'll shoot put that potato chunk in there too.
So everything will smell like hairspray again.
Okay, I have a potato chunk. I'll put it in when you put it up right.
Oh, that's a record.
Nice.
That hurt.
Oh, that's a record.
Nice.
That hurt.
Is that just the potato that came out? Yeah. Because I didn't see the cap.
But look on the barrel.
The cap is still stuck in there. The cap's stuck in there because the potato residue. And you know what? We're going to have to not use potatoes anymore.
What should we use instead?
Well, cap's full of stuff, I guess.
Or tennis ball. We can get
I'm just going to reload this thing. Yeah, it's sticking really tight. So we're going to have to clean the barrel out.
Yeah.
And otherwise it won't shoot out at all. It'll just explode the thing.
Yeah, that is getting pretty.
Why didn't the cap
Burnt
pop
up.
out?
Well, because it got stuck in the barrel because of the potato residue. That's why. I don't even think it's going to come out this time.
Yeah, I don't know.
Watch out.
Oh yeah, that came out.
There's a lot of pressure in there, man. That's good.
We need to put a pressure gauge on it.
Watch the striker.
Yeah. Like how when
That wrench, that thing works really well, man.
Yeah.
And it's great for the strap too. You know what? This can isn't even half empty. I mean, this isn't even like a quarter
Well,
empty.
you should go ahead and use it on your hair.
You want some on your hair?
Put some on your hair.
Still works.
Cool.
A free bullet with every can of accelerant at the
That way you
dollar
can
store,
tell.
the $1 store. Every can of accelerant, free bullet.
No
Okay,
bueno.
so this broom is a perfect depth gauge for loading our barrel. We'll have to remember that.
Yeah.
See you guys later.
Okay,
Bye.
see you later.
Everybody.